Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Rocket League crashing. So first of all, you need to locate your Epic Games Launcher shortcut on your desktop, or you can write it on search, and then you just need to right click on it, go to properties, compatibility, and make sure to run this program in compatibility mode 4 is selected, and select then Windows 7, and on disable here disable full screen optimizations and run this program as administrator is also selected. And then you need to go to your local disk where you basically saved Rocket League. For me is on disk C, program files, Epic Games, Rocket League, and then binaries, Win64, and do the same with this app as well. Compatibility, make sure to run this program in compatibility mode 4, and disable full screen optimizations is also selected as well. Right, and then the next thing that you can do here is open up Epic Games Launcher and go to library. Make sure to go to Rocket League and just right click on it, go to manage, and make sure to verify integrity of the game files. So maybe you have some corrupted files that need to be replaced, right? And once you do that, then you can launch the game, and after you launch the game, go to Task Manager, locate Rocket League game that is running. So for me, for example, I'm not running, but it's basically the same. Locate the game, and then right click on it, go to for example here, go to details, and then you should see your Rocket League exe file, and then go to right click on it, go to set priority, and set priority to high. And if it's not working here, then you need to check if the Windows firewall is not blocking your game. So you need to go to firewall and network protection, and here press allow an app to firewall, and make sure that Rocket League is on this list. All right, as you can see here, it is on this list, but if it's not, then go to change and press on change settings, go to allow another app, go to browse, and then you need to go to your disk where you install the game, then the program files, Epic Games, Rocket League, binaries, Win64, and add this here, and then press add. Press OK. And the last thing that you can do here, you can update your operating system and GPU. So to update your OS, you need to insert, just write check for updates, and see and press check for updates here, and see if there is an update for you that you can download and install. And then after you install it, just restart your computer. Same thing with GPU, go to device manager and go to display adapters here, and then here update driver, and search automatically for drivers to update. And if you install the best drivers for devices, so you're good to go. And depending on what GPU you're using, you can then install drivers through, if you're using NVIDIA, you can install through GeForce Experience. Just go to drivers, check for updates, and download the latest version here. Pretty similar to EMD, just download EMD Radeon and check for updates there. Right, so that's pretty much it, what you need to do here if you want to fix Rocket League crashing. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.